If you are concerned you may have asbestos-containing materials in your home or commercial property, Artisan Environmental have developed a safe, reliable, cost-effective way to allow you to sample these materials yourself. Our asbestos testing kits enable you to sample materials such as texture coatings, vinyl floor tiles, cement products, roofing felts, and many more. Our kits are dispatched to you the same day you order them, with all the personal protective equipment you need. Follow the simple step-by-step instructions and post back to us in the prepaid returns envelope provided. All samples are analysed by our UCAS accredited laboratory, and the results will be issued to you via email. If you have any questions throughout the process, we have a team of asbestos specialists ready to help. To order your kit now, visit our website or give us a call for more information.